Alright, me again. Let's see here. This is a Danby microwave, and that's it there. And from the Danby microwave, we made a previous video. Thanks for all those who tuned in on how to move your meal over into that. Now we're going to do a memory here, and we're going to press memory like that, and we're going to press start. That's on memory 1, and that's for 15 seconds. Okay. If you hit the 1 here on there, and see that it says express cook, it does it for a minute. Alright. And then cancel. And cancel again. Now if we hit memory, it comes up with 1, and then we hit start, it does it for 15 seconds, 45 seconds less than a minute. If you want to add another 30 to it, you just hit the start button like that. And see, it's also the start, and it also adds 30 seconds to anything that you're cooking. That's the stop button, and then your cancel again to cancel out the time on it. So now we're going to try to set the memory here. And that's memory, and then we're going to press 2. Let's see if it'll do that. Alright, hit memory again, so let's cancel that out. That's the time. And see that? That's memory, the 0 button down here. And we're going to hit that. And now we're going to hit the 0 button again. And it goes to 2. And from 2, we're going to hit time cook. And we're going to end 0. Now we're going to hit 4. And we're going to hit 5 right there, and then we're going to hit start, and that should put it on 2, and start again, and there we go. Memory from 45 seconds, just like that. That's programming the memory on your Danby. And now I've got a minute express cook, but I've got a memory for 15 seconds and 45 seconds. And if I just want 30 seconds, I can just hit the start button, and that'll give me just a regular 30-second start. So I've got 15, 30, and 45, and minute cook. Alright, thanks for tuning in. This has been Chad Brown. Do videos, job click, some subscribed, feel free to watch other videos. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And we should now have a cook. There's something cooking in it. Just turn that. And if you want to do so, it does have a little bit of a heavy door. I usually like to take my thumb and put handle on the side and go just like that, and it should spring forward. Alright, great talk. Have a great one out there. I mean, great video. Bye. Alright, me again. Let's see here. This is a Danby microwave, and that's it there. And from the Danby microwave, we made a previous video. Thanks for all those who tuned in on how to move your meal over into that. Now we're going to do a memory here, and